How to get pictures in the Bingo Blitz game. In this game, picture refers to collectible items that players gather while exploring various cities. These pictures are stored in your adventure book, and completing collections can earn you valuable rewards like credits, power-ups, and exclusive items. Here is how you can collect pictures. Number 1 step is to play bingo rounds in different cities. Each city in Bingo Blitz has its own set of collectible pictures. During bingo rounds, topping certain numbers may reward you with a picture. Some pictures are rarer than others. Keep an eye out for those with gold frames as they are harder to obtain. Next step is to participate in events and use boost. Engage in special events and quests that offer pictures as rewards. Utilize boosts like Marvelous Boost, which increases the number of collection items you can earn during bingo rounds. And the next step is to trade with friends. If you are missing specific pictures, you can request them from friends through the adventure book. Similarly, you can send duplicate pictures to friends who need them, fostering a collaborative environment to complete collections. And that's it. This is how you can get pictures in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.